Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well and your studies are going in full swing. Now in today's video, I'm going to share with you something which is very important and very helpful, especially for your much dreaded IBS paper. And to some extent, it will help you even in your financial reporting paper. So what happens is, in general, when we prepare for our financial reporting, we are very focused on the accounting, on the questions which are there in our material, and we have a fairly good grip over these concepts. However, because IBS is an open book exam, in the past there have been multiple instances, where the institute has asked you something pertaining to, let us say, a disclosure section of a particular topic, which you may not have done in as much length in your financial reporting, because the institute does not really ask you as much in your core financial reporting paper. However, well, it may be there in one corner of your institute study material, and hence this kind of creates a bit of, let's say, friction for a student, where they're kind of now worried that do I need to refer my actual let us say study material from whichever institute I've done, plus do I need to refer separately everything in the study material? Well, and financial reporting on the institute side has 5 materials, 5 separate modules, so that itself is a bit of a challenge. So kind of to address and help you with that, what we have tried to do is we have tried to make a master compiler of all of those sections in your financial reporting ICI study material which are pertaining to, let us say, disclosures, and we have neatly arranged them into a compact file less than 100 pages where everything is properly indexed, every chapter, every topic is properly indexed, and we have covered every disclosure section. So this covers general disclosures, specific disclosures, other disclosures, everything which is there will be there in this single file. So that means that you are expecting us to study all of this just sometime before the exam? Not at all. Remember, IBS is an open book exam, and take advantage of the open book. Now we can, by taking 5 separate study materials of the institute. Apart from that, you will take the material, let us say, if you have taken classes from us, let's say RFR, Shield, Question Bank, if from anyone else, their materials. Now that is way too bulky, and that is, again, we are talking about a single subject. So one is taking that material, second is just searching through and finding all of those things. Now that is very time consuming, and in IBS paper, if you talk to any seniors, they will tell you time is everything. So what I've tried to do is we have tried to compile everything in the institute's language, in the institute's words, from the institute's material, and made a very compact compiler for your ready reference. I would strongly recommend you kind of save this, take a print, and keep this handy for your exams. If possible, we'll also try to make a video, a very short video on this, which will try to accustom you with what are the contents and where what is there. Like, I mean, if I just take an example, let's say if there's a disclosure question which comes for Ind AS 16, property, plant and equipment, you can directly jump to, for example, page number 22 over here, and on page number 22 you can see what type of disclosures are, for example, pertaining to revaluation. Now we know the accounting for revaluation, we know that it goes to other comprehensive income, we know what happens if it is to be reversed, we know everything on accounting. But when it comes to disclosure, we may not have done that in as much of detail. Like, for example, we need to show the effective date of revaluation, whether independent valuer was involved or not, etc. So a lot of these things would be there. Now, do I need to read everything over here? I'm again repeating, no. But do I need to keep it handy? Well, answer is yes, because if I see a question which pertains to disclosure, I can directly jump into this booklet. I can go into the respective page for the respective topic, and then just scan through. Every topic over here will not have more than, let's say, 2 or 3 sides maximum. That does not mean we review, like government grants, for example, you hardly have a 1 page. Foreign exchange, for example, you have 1 page. Related parties, you might have, let's say, a couple of pages, but you can narrow down your search rather than just scrambling across various of your resources. You have that all in one place. So we'll share this on our Telegram channel. The link for that would be in the description for the video. So I really hope that this will help you in kind of easing the nerves to the extent possible for your financial reporting section in your IBS paper, because your core financial reporting knowledge, I hope, would be under control. But these additional issues, I mean, you just have to kind of copy paste, but you need to know from where to see, what to see. So this will kind of really help you. Okay, so that is it from my side. I hope this helps you, and if it does, please do press the like button and share your love in the comments. Means a lot for us, and I'll see you soon with more such content, more such videos, and I hope you keep on studying well. God bless you all. Take care. Good luck. Goodbye.